Pharmaceutical companies have actually been getting sued for many, many years. Let's go through the top 10. Let's start with Merck & Company, who were sued for $4.85 billion. Merck faced litigation over their painkiller Vioxx, which was withdrawn from the market in 2004. 2007 that they agreed to the settlement of $4.85 billion for the tens of thousands of lawsuits related to the alleged injuries caused by Vioxx. Next up is Johnson & Johnson, who were sued in 2020 and ordered to pay $572 million in an opioid case in Oklahoma. Next we have Purdue Pharma, the makers of OxyContin. In 2007, they pleaded guilty and paid $600 million in fines. There have been subsequent lawsuits and settlements involving them though, so this probably is actually a much larger number. GlaxoSmithKline were sued for $3 billion in 2012. The settlement resolved allegations that the company had engaged in unlawful promotion of prescription drugs and failed to report safety data. In 2009, Pfizer had to pay $2.3 billion to settle allegations that it had marketed certain drugs for off-label uses and provided kickbacks to healthcare professionals. There's many more, such as Takeda Pharmaceuticals, Johnson & Johnson again for their Risperdal. In 2010, AstraZeneca had to pay $520 million. Merck & Co. again in 2004. And Pfizer again for $430 million for the improper marketing of Neurontin. While I'm not saying you should completely distrust your doctors, you should be aware that they get kickbacks from pharmaceutical companies.